Doctor, tell me where the problem is. What is my disease? And man, इन्होंने डायग्नोज बड़ा अच्छा किया. I often hear people say that पाकिस्तान के डॉक्टर हैं वो नब्ज पे हाथ रख के आपको डायग्नोज कर देते हैं, right? We love those people, right? Like we want a quick and accurate diagnose. Why? Because just getting the right diagnosis almost gives you hope that there is a fix. And so the diagnosis is that we are sinners. We're sinners. That's the start of the gospel. And in the justice of God, everyone who sins should die. And we're all headed to that. However, Jesus came. Yesu aa gaye. He was born of a virgin. That means he didn't have the sin nature. He lived a blameless life. And for every human being, he went on the cross and died. Now we cannot be charged for the same crime twice. मेरे गुनाहों का कफारा एक दफा हो गया तो फिर मुझे कफारा देने की क्या जरूरत है? एक ही गुनाह की सजा दो दफा तो नहीं ना हो सकती. एक ही बार मसीह मसलूब हुआ, कहो आमीन. But if Jesus only died, अगर खुदावंद यीशु मसीह सिर्फ हमारे लिए सलीब पर जान देते, एक दुश्मन फिर भी था जिसको खत्म करना जरूरी था, और वो मौत थी. Hallelujah. Because we would have still died. You and I will never die if we believe in Jesus. Yes, this body, ये बदन तो मरेगा और मरना भी चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे इतना अच्छा भी अब नहीं लग रहा. कोशिश करता हूं अच्छा बनाने की, नहीं होता, कोई बात नहीं. It's all right. Why? Because I am going to live forever. Why? Because that's the complete gospel that Jesus came. He lived a blameless life. He died on the cross. He was buried. And now he is resurrected. शैतान को और गुनाह को और कब्र को उसने हरा दिया. कोई तो कहे आमीन. That's the resurrection meaning for you and me.